Hi, some of you were asking what a CMS is and why are we using WordPress? So in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit more about content management systems or CMS and which ones we at Kapwa Marketing recommend in 2026. And of course, I want to start with WordPress. Why WordPress? Because WordPress is one of the most used content management systems, and it's free of charge. You can just hop on WordPress.org and download the latest version of this software by clicking on WordPress and then of course install it on your own server. Requirements are ideally the latest PHP version and of course MySQL database. Sometimes you can also use MariaDB, but in most cases I think it's MySQL. So as you can see, kapwamarketing.com is also running on WordPress. So most of our team members have a lot of experience with that content management system. And I myself, I started using it about 20 years ago. So yeah, since most or many of our clients are also based on WordPress, or their websites are based on WordPress, we have a very high expertise in that field. And yeah, this won't change necessarily in 2026. So many more businesses will start their online business with WordPress because it's super flexible. You can install plugins, you can basically build any type of website with any design based on WordPress. The next one I want to mention is Wix. So you can see the backend here of Wix. It's pretty similar in terms of user interface. You have typically blog articles, you do have static pages, and some other areas where you can maybe install plugins or other apps. And the same is true for Squarespace. So Squarespace is another website builder, or CMS, if you want to say that. And both Wix and Squarespace are comparably inexpensive, I would say. There are some other options out there that cost more money and are a bigger investment. But for smaller websites, Squarespace and Wix are similarly useful. Then, of course, I want to mention Shopify. So you can see the backend of Shopify. There are a lot of companies, e-commerce companies, that use Shopify. They're built on Liquid. So it's also a JavaScript framework as far as I know. And I think Shopify is one of the most powerful platforms when it comes to e-commerce websites. Of course, you can also build shops with WordPress. You would probably install WooCommerce in order to do that. And I believe that Wix has some of some e-commerce options as well. Or you could combine Wix with Shopify or even WooCommerce. Then finally, I also want to mention Odoo. So Odoo, you can see one of the websites that we have recently built. Odoo is more of an ERP solution, and I just quickly show you the website interface here, the website app here, and it's also pretty much drag and drop, straightforward. You just click on edit here, and then you can edit basically everything, the CSS or the layout, and of course the text. And yeah, I hope this very quick introduction was useful to you. With all platforms and softwares, we have some sort of experience, and we can recommend all of them. But if I were to choose, I would always say that WordPress is the most flexible one still. And then for e-commerce scenarios, I would say that either WooCommerce or Shopify are very useful, or you want to have a full integration with ERP, then you might want to look into Odoo. So yeah, I hope this video was useful to you. If yes, please subscribe to our channel, like and leave a comment, and see you again soon.